how to use vehicle to load system, and set discharge limit on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's swipe to the left and choose here the battery. From the battery, let's use the second tab, which is V2L, so vehicle to load. As you can see, this screen controls the car's vehicle to load system, which turns your car into a giant power bank to power household appliances like laptops or camping gear, using a special plug adapter, of course. The discharge limit is right here, so you can set up a safety feature, the safety number of the energy that you would like to keep in your car. So basically, you can tell the car when to stop powering external devices, so it never accidentally drains your main driving battery completely. So you can, for example, set it up to 20. 20 is the minimum, and of course you can set up higher numbers. 80 is the most. So you can decide the discharge limit right here. You've got also the instructions about the V2L. So you need to insert the discharge connector, set the maximum discharge limit, and press start discharging button. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.